God. Hi guys, this is Nishrita and of course I'm alive. Fortunately or unfortunately, we are gonna continue our moving series in my upcoming vlogs. So for right now, as you all know that I have shifted to Gurgaon, and yes, in Gurgaon we have Banjara Market. So I went with my parents to Banjara Market and this video is gonna be a Banjara Market haul. Firstly, guys, I actually went to Panchara Market during like a first week of August when we actually came to Gurgaon with my family for the shifting process. And now it's almost like a September end. So yeah, it is quite embarrassing that I have already shot a lot of vlogs and I couldn't edit because of the workshops and assignments. And please ignore that. Most of the things that we bought is actually like at my home and I have already pre-shot those things like the haul of those products, and few of the products are with me right now at my PG. So the vlog is gonna be a kind of a mixture of those things, and before beginning with the haul video, you are gonna see a background of the Banjara Market, like how we went there, how was the experience, what the shops actually looks like, and everything I'm gonna post in that. And after that we are gonna proceed with the haul. इस बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके हम बंजारा मार्केट पहुँचे, पता ही नहीं कौन से गूगल मैप कौन सी गली और रास्तों से लेकर आ रहा था, बट एनी हाउ वी रीच्ड इट एंड मार्केट अभी खुला भी नहीं है. With the haul, and the first thing that I got for myself was a ceramic plate.
These plates were genuinely very cute.
Next we got ourselves few of the decor items which could be hung. So we actually got like a set of 5 for 100 rupees. So all those 4 products are at my home, and currently I have with me this heart charm. So see, it's actually very cute and the material is very good.
All these products costed us for just rupees 100.
Then we got ourselves this dinner set.
I mean, just look at this dinner set. It has such a minimal color tone.
Later my mother saw this salad tray and she was so obsessed with it, and she was like, we need to get it one. And if I personally tell about it, the quality is actually very good, and even the color is so cute and aesthetic. We got ourselves quite a lot of planters. Like we actually needed some planters for our home, and you won't believe, like there was a shop who were actually like selling the planters for just rupees 50. So you need to actually hunt over there, like literally hunt, because there were so many planters. They will even have the defects. Of course defect to hoga hi because they were selling it for 50 rupees, right? So आपको देखना पड़ेगा, you need to hunt कि आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं, and अगर आपको कोई पसंद आ रहा है उसमें minor side effect है, and you can even work with it, or you can just figure out something out of it, right? It is just like a best out of waste thing which you can do for yourself, and we bought a lot of the planters. So yeah, here's a haul for that.
Like you can see these all planters, like they have such a different pattern, shape, and everybody has like a different aesthetic of their own only.
Like even guys, after getting all those planters, I personally requested auntie कि हमने इतने सारे planters लिए हैं तो आप कुछ तो डिस्काउंट दे दो. And she was like, already मैं 50 पे सेल कर रही हूँ, मैं उससे ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं दूँगी. Then I was like, चलो ठीक है, कोई एक छोटा सा planter ही दे दो, because girls definitely want a freebie kind of a thing when we buy a lot of the things at from like a particular shop. So she actually agreed for that. She was like, आप कोई भी छोटा सा planter ले लो. Then I got myself this, which gives you very ancient vibes, and I have put it like my clutches under here. I thought कि मैं इसमें plants वगैरह लगाऊंगी, but मैंने अभी तक इसमें plant नहीं लगाया. I couldn't find the one for myself, so अभी मैं इसे अपनी storage के लिए use कर रही हूँ. And we also wanted to get like a planter for our tulsi का पौधा. So for that we had to make sure कि we take kind of a planter which actually looks something like to be worshipped on, and we can keep a few things also over there.
Basically, this planter actually cost us for just 250 as we got like a set of a 3.
So my mom actually again got like a deck of peas. We literally had no idea how we have to use it. It's just that she liked it, so she got it. And personally, if I talk about, we figured it out at the end, and then we thought that कि हम इसमें electric वाला candle रख सकते हैं for the Diwali, and then it will look pretty actually. गाइस मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ये कप एंड ये जो प्लेट है लाइक क्लाउड वाला उसका सेट दे रखा था. सो आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू गेट इट फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. एंड मुझे सिर्फ एक ही लेना था जो कि मैं हर शॉप पे देख रही थी, बट मुझे कुछ जगह पे मिल रहा था, कुछ शॉप्स पे नहीं. लाइक हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ डिफेक्ट था ही था. सो आई सर्च्ड एवरीवेयर एंड फाइनली फाउंड वन. एंड देन इट्स नॉट वन, आई वॉकड थोड़ा और, देन आगे मुझे एक और पीस पसंद आ गया. देन आई अगेन बॉट दैट ऑल्सो. हैव दिस. कितना ज़्यादा क्यूट है ना, ये बहुत क्यूट है. एंड इवन इट इज़ मैचिंग माई आउटफिट. वेरी वेरी क्यूट. ऑफ कोर्स मैं बंजारा मार्केट जाऊँ और मैं अपने लिए एक पिंक कलर का कप सेट ना खरीदूँ, ये ऐसा पॉसिबल हो ही नहीं सकता. पता नहीं क्यों, आई इवन डोंट लाइक पिंक, बट मैं फिर भी पिंक खरीद लेती हूँ. गाइस, इससे ज़्यादा क्यूट पेट कोई भी नहीं हो सकती है. मतलब लुक एट दिस. इसकी हर डिटेलिंग बहुत सुंदर है. हाँ, I actually needed like a mat for my PG also, so I got myself one. That too in a green color, which looks very minimal, very aesthetic वाला vibe जो होता है ना, बिल्कुल वैसा ही है ये. See, that is it. So lastly, we actually wanted to buy a couch from Banjara Market. Like मम्मी, मैं, पापा, हम तीनों ने सोच रखा था कि इस बार तो हम एक couch लेके जाएंगे. And we were hunting for a green color, like जो हमारे खुद के घर पे सोफे का जो कलर है, like the same one. एंड हमने बहुत ढूंढा. ओके, सो वी वर एक्चुअली हंटिंग फॉर लाइक अ ग्रीन कलर जो कि हमारे सोफे का कलर है बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली लाइक द सेम वन. एंड वी हंटेड क्वाइट अ लॉट शॉप्स एंड फाइनली वी गॉट इट आउट. एंड ऐसा सिचुएशन था कि यार ये बहुत बड़ा तो नहीं है कहीं. सो द टास्क वॉज कि ये जयपुर तक कैसे जाएगा. देन ऑल द थिंग लाइक माई फादर हैड वॉज कि अगर ये कार में आ गया तो ये जयपुर जाएगा, अगर ये कार में नहीं आया तो ये जयपुर नहीं जाएगा.
2000, it's a great deal.
So yeah, we definitely got that couch also at our home. And so yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and everything was under like almost 100. हमने सब कुछ 100 में ही लिया था. And there were only few things जो कि हमने over the budget जाके लिया. And I even don't think वो budget wise ऊपर था. सब कुछ हमारे यहाँ पे like everything was under 100 only. Yes, if you like the video, make sure to like, comment and share. And do not forget to subscribe because निशिता आगे बहुत सारे vlogs लेकर आ रही है guys. Bye.